Hi guys, and welcome back to Gagliardi Photography Tips and Tricks. Today we'll talk about a simple and useful trick about Google Mail. I'll show you how to change the password of your Google account. Many people use Gmail and sometimes we have to change the password because of something that happens on our account or just because for security reasons you need to change it. So first we go to our Gmail page and we enter our Gmail account. Then we enter our password. Okay, now we go to our preference button. We have our preferences, but we need to press this button to have all the preferences. Well, now we can go to Accounts and Imports. And we have here the Change Account Settings and Change Password. We just press this button. We enter our old password. Finally, we have this screen where we can enter the new password. We need to confirm the password. Press the Change Password button. And that's it. The password has been changed. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this small trick. And if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.